This is the VEVOR Rotisserie grill, and we're getting the fire started. We're going to cook a 5-pound roasting chicken, and got it on the spit. It's in the kitchen. I'll be bringing it out when the fire gets to the right temperature. He's all doctored up with some seasonings and he's tied up. Now this is the way you need to do this. Put this end in here, and then you need to pick this up, put it in here so it fits in, and then slide it in those little feet. Okay, you should pre-measure these to make sure they're right, and also we can move the grill over just a little bit, and there we go. And I'm going to fire it up now and let it get going. I have a little power station here, which is just great for doing this kind of stuff, and it'll last as long as I need it. Put that on, turn that on, and turn the power on. And now it's ready to go. And I can adjust it to where I need it. And we're going to give it about an hour and a half. A little close up of it. Notice made a cage out of the spit rods, and he's tied up, and he's got the spit rod through the center of him, so he's not going to fall off. 30 minutes has gone by, and this is the color. That looks really good. Okay, it's been 45 minutes, and this is the process that I add some charcoal to the fire. Okay, we're an hour into the burn. We got 29 minutes left. The fire looks really good. It will last the amount of times. Hour and 15 minutes into the cooking. We have 15 minutes left, and I'm going to use the meat thermometer. This is instant. As soon as I plug it in to the meat, it will give me the temperature. I'm going to wait and turn it off. Once it goes around, I want to get into that breast area. When it comes up, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, right there. Pull this out, and I'm going to try to get it where you can see it. 159 at that point, so I'm going to go the full 15 more minutes, and we'll see where we are. So I turn her on, and we keep going. We're going to check the temperature. 162.3. We need 165. I got another 5-10 minutes. I'm going to let it go. We got a nice fire. Okay, 15 minutes, that's an hour and 45 minutes, and I'm going to turn it off. And right here I can get in. 170, that is good. And I'm going to go into the thigh. 1879, we're good right now. Just take a preview. Okay, I think everything is good. I'm going to transfer the spit over to my sawhorses. I'm gonna get a little piece of cardboard down there to catch the drippings and let it cool down so I can take it off of the spit. All right, first thing I'm going to do is turn this off. Let me put my foot there. There. Now, once I put it there, then I can kind of take this off and leave it there. And now I can grab it. These are not hot. It's hot up here. Now, I can just put it right there. And it's going to drip. and do its thing. That'll be good. Now I'm going to cut the string. I've got it tied to the spit, so I'm going to try and cut that out so I can get the spit off. Right here. That back there. All right, we're going to take it inside and see what we can do. Okay, I'm going to get a slice off of here. I've already got the leg and a little bit of the thigh and the chicken wing, and here's the first piece of breast, and I'm going to taste that. Ah, look at that. Very tender. Now watch this. There, perfect. Okay, this is going to be good. I'm going to cut the rest up, and we're going to enjoy a good meal tonight. Thanks for watching.